Do your videos look shaky when recording on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let me show you how to turn video stabilization on or off. To do so, open Camera app, tap the quick control icon, then tap the settings icon. Scroll down to the video section. Here you will see video stabilization option. Just toggle it on or off depending on what you need. So when should you use this feature? Stabilization is great if you are recording while walking or moving because it helps keep the footage smooth. But if you are using a tripod or want a more natural movement effect, you might want to turn it off. And that's it. Now you can choose the best setting for your videos depending on the situation. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.